What's up, everybody? Crypto is not going anywhere, right? That's for sure. Even though we have its highs, we have its lows, and we have some really, really lows and really, really highs, right? But one thing's for sure, that crypto is here to stay. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Invest Desk, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecast. My name is Syed, and and I'm back, by the way. So I'm going to be talking about Dogecoin, some price predictions, very, very important news updates for you that I've been gathering for some time. So I wanted to share. And also moving forward, just a quick updates before I dive right in, that I'm going to be talking about and doing live streams, not every day. All right. So I'm not going to do it every day. I'm going to do it probably a couple times a week, or we'll see how it pans out, because I want to make sure that everything is updated and you get the best of the best research, because that's what this channel is all about. So if you're new to the channel, InvestDesk has been around for a year and a half, and this portfolio has grown, and we've become millionaires off of this portfolio. At least I have, and I'm sure most of you have if you've invested in Dogecoin early on, because Dogecoin is our baby, right? That's where we started. That's our portfolio started, and then we also added numerous other cryptos such as SafeMoon and Bitcoin and Shiba Inu and whatnot. So I'm going to be talking about more of what's going on with Dogecoin primarily in today's live stream. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and of course the bell notification so you get to regular updates, right? So thanks for tuning in, and welcome back, of course. So let's dive right in. I want to talk about Dogecoin. Right here that you see is the crypto bubbles, right? So Dogecoin has actually doubled in the last week. So if you invested $1,000, hey, it's 2,000. So if you invested 100,000, it's 200,000. Hey, just like that, right? But not really, right? It actually takes a lot of research, a lot of analysis before you can actually start to invest. So, and of course, that's how we do research, and I present the research right here to you. And again, thank you for being here. Let me set up my quick chat, by the way. Before I do that, by the way, check this out, guys. Doge, of course, is up 116%. We know that. But importantly, Dogecoin replaces Cardano as sixth largest cryptocurrency. Not just that. The Doge market cap currently exceeds that of Cardano and more than 120 members of the S&P 500. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's impressive, because Dogecoin started off as a meme coin, and of course, check out all the live streams for the last year since we actually started with Dogecoin. It has been, it has surpassed all of the sort of like the predictions. I'm not talking about the price, because crypto, as we all know, right, it's just crypto. Hey, that's cool, because it makes you millionaire overnight, and hey, you can go down overnight. So always make sure that you always do your research, and of course know what you're doing before you actually dive into crypto. So let's dive right in. This is Dogecoin, again, sixth largest so far. I'm going to go ahead and set up my chat so I can get to see what's going on and who's online. There we go. Perfect. All right. So make sure you comment down below. And I put up some videos for the last week or so go check those out too. But hey, this is live stream, and of course I started off with Dogecoin because that's how we are. Dogecoin price right now is about, let's bring up the chart here, boom, it's 0.1274. So once again, the price has doubled. Okay, so your investment has doubled, but who knows what's going to happen tomorrow, right? We don't know. But what we do know is the fact that based on the historical analysis, right, based on this simple chart right here that I just pulled up, you'll notice that since mid-June, the price of Dogecoin has been pretty much steady, right? It's about 5 cents. On average, I'd say about 4 to 5 cents, 4.5 cents to 5 cents. Now, this is a pretty sort of like long period in terms of crypto. We're talking about since June, July, August, September, and then of course October, and today's October 30th, right? That's where we are, and that's where it jumped. So based on, of course, the analysis, if you did buy Dogecoin back in any of these months, right, and just let it sit there because we have Dogecoin sitting there. We did not sell Doge at all since we bought it way back a year and a half ago. I think it was February, right? Even though the price went up to almost 70 cents or 65 cents plus, right? So our initial investment, I think we bought it at 3 cents. We bought it at 5 cents. We also bought it at 11 cents later on. And I've also bought, recently also when the price was at about 4 or 5 cents. So the idea is that you want to be able to do dollar cost averaging, right? And that's an important concept. I've been covering this in many of my live streams, so make sure you go check those out. So you get to really see what crypto investing is all about. And of course, patience is key, guys, right? If you don't become a millionaire overnight, but hey, one thing's for sure, like I said earlier when I started, crypto is here to stay. So Doge is at 0.1272. Well, the question is, should you buy now or we don't know yet, right? I'm going to be talking more about that. We'll take a look at some exciting news updates so that you can make informed decisions based on how you want to manage your portfolio. So Doge is at 0.12. The predictions right now, the technicals of Dogecoin, let me bring those up. There we go. Are all referring to buy, okay? The moving averages are strong buy. The summary itself is, of course, strong buy. And the oscillators are also buy. Whether you're looking at a simple moving average, whether you're looking at the EMAs or SMAs or whatever it is that you're, the way you analyze your own portfolios or a particular crypto, you can then decide which is a better option. But right now, the of course, as a layman, it's still a strong buy. What this means that the price is going to continually go up, right? Because based on these predictions. And that's true because if I go back to the chart, let me give you a quick tour of the chart analysis, right? Even though I've done it in the past and I do it regularly, you'll notice how the price is sort of like stagnant, right? In layman terms. So which means that, it's consolidating. So, people are investors in crypto. Overall market is consolidating. Now, after the consolidation period ends, now in this case, it's been months, the price typically goes up, okay? And that's important. So this is the area where you need to, of course, observe on a regular basis as to when to jump in and when to jump out. So if you're a day trader or whatever, and crypto is not for day trading, by the way, guys, right? Day trading, go to stocks. And I've covered those in the previous live streams. Crypto is a total different beast. It's not stock market. It's different, okay? All right, so this is Dogecoin. I've covered the chart, covered the technicals. And here's something that I want to, of course, first talk about a little bit more in terms of Cardano, because it replaced Cardano as the 6th largest cryptocurrency. And that's in itself Dogecoin, which actually was a meme coin, right? And of course, Elon Musk is behind it. Now that Elon owns Twitter, he's probably going to be pumping this up in the coming months, okay? Because knowing the history of Elon Musk and knowing the relationship of Elon Musk with Dogecoin, we can, pretty much, there's high probability, let's put it this way, okay? There's definitely high probability that Dogecoin is going to, again, hit the dollar mark. I did put up a tweet, by the way, just now. So if you've not joined the Invest Desk Twitter, my Twitter handle is invest_desk. Go check it out and follow. I did put up a simple question: Dogecoin to $2 by December 31st, 2022, and there's an hour ago. So there's some votes coming in. So go check it out if you like. You can vote. All right. So a couple of more important news regarding Dogecoin. Let's move forward. We know that the price is at 1.1272 at this point, which again is still in the consolidation phase. And this is, by the way, 1 day, right? So 1 day the price is at 12 cents. Now, if this continues to be the same, in other words, the price sort of like consolidates, keeps on consolidating at 12 cents, yeah, we know the next step. Hopefully it's going to be able to jump again to about 15 cents or even 13, 14 or whatever, go up, right? So, and again, back to our dollar average costing concept that most of you know. If you do not know, please go check out my streams. I did cover the entire concept in depth. All right, so this is Dogecoin, so still a strong buy in terms of its signals and predictions. But what really makes Dogecoin a good crypto, right? And why we've been holding, or I've been holding Dogecoin since a year and a half, right? All right, so Dogecoin explodes 110% weekly. Bitcoin maintains 20K. Weekend watch. That's really what happened over the weekend. So Bitcoin stopped once again. And we did talk about the correlation of Bitcoin and Dogecoin, okay? And there's about 60 to 70% correlation. So Bitcoin goes up, pretty much all crypto goes up, but our analysis indicates that it's about 60% correlation between Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So if Bitcoin stopped once again at 21,000, and then it's still coveted above 20,000 line, Dogecoin is at 12 cents. It's safe to say that the original meme coin, which is Dogecoin, and this week's best performer, because it doubled. Up until Wednesday, Dogecoin struggled around 7 cents, although the rest of the market. But the landscape started to change later this week. Reports started emerging as Elon Musk is closing down on his acquisition of Twitter. So, given the history between the billionaire and Dogecoin, the latter's price reacted with immediate surge, and we know that, obviously. This led to a multi-month high at about 10 cents, 0.1, registered yesterday, by the way. Nevertheless, Doge kept climbing in the following hours and tapped 0.15 for the first time since May. Okay, so in about May, June, July, August, about 4 months, 5 months, the price was pretty much the same. And then Elon Musk once again to the rescue, and the price is just going up. Overall, also, of course, Bitcoin also has a role to play in it. So this is something that I wanted you guys to watch out and continue to watch. And of course, I'm here to give you the latest news, updates, and forecast for Investors is your #1 channel. And then again, Dogecoin surpasses Cardano after a massive 60% spike. Pretty much covered that. Now, if you had $1,000, would you put it on Dogecoin or baby Dogecoin, right? And that's a question that I'll put out to you. Let me know in comments, okay, whether you want to go with Dogecoin or with baby Doge if you're holding baby Doge. We're not, and we don't have in our portfolio baby Doge, but hey, just a question. If you have it, let me know how that is performing. All right. So Elon Musk buying Twitter rallies Dogecoin price, same as Shiba Inu today, because Shiba Inu, we have it in our portfolio. SHIB is also performing well, along with Dogecoin. And even though SafeMoon is up, I'm going to talk about that too when pretty much in the next few minutes as I close the live stream. All right, so Dogecoin prediction as $2. Prediction as 2 billion trading volume comes in. So the volume of Dogecoin is pretty high, right? So that's really what attracts at least myself personally when I talk about Dogecoin, because it's just a massive number of people, buying and selling Dogecoin, because it's been accepted, okay? And I've covered those in the since the last year and a half. People are using Dogecoin to buy and sell, using as a cryptocurrency, okay? And it's inflationary designed crypto coin with unlimited supply, and that's one of the reasons why the price is still sort of like low, right? And we know that because demand and supply concepts kick in. All right, so this is the Doge prediction as 2 billion trading volume comes in. Dogecoin price continues to lead among crypto majors. Cumulated gains of 30%. The largest was 0.08 Thursday, and then this was about a few days ago, and then 0.07. So Elon Musk becomes Twitter CEO, and we know what that means for Dogecoin price. All right, and there, of course, other traders predict that 7 coins to pump 10x after Dogecoin price explodes. You can check this out too. And of course, one of them is Shiba Inu. That's why I have this up, because we also have Shiba Inu in our portfolio. And SHIB is also going to be doing pretty well as the market expands or continues to grow. So one Doge is currently worth about 8,000 SHIB. This is approaching 2-year highs in this ratio, which has historically been pretty sticky around, let's say 5,000, right? So fair odds, we see a bit of mean reversion on this pair over the following month. All right, a couple more things about crypto, which is really about Elon Musk, right? How could he put more crypto into Twitter? And this was exciting because we've been trying to talk about Tesla using Dogecoin, right? Or the ATM machines using Dogecoin, and really putting Dogecoin out as cryptocurrency. All right, and even though it has been accepted, many retail stores use currently Dogecoin, and people transact in Dogecoin. So it's not something new anymore. It is just a matter of its broader acceptance as we move forward in time. And then again, Dogecoin price prediction. Of course, in my Twitter, I put it up as $2, which may be a little bit more exaggerating a little bit, but definitely the trend as we move along towards the closing of this last quarter by December 30th. It'll be exciting to see how Dogecoin performs, and I would not be surprised if it goes, almost to 20 or 25 cents at least in the next bull run, which I'm seeing right now as Dogecoin. So, what do you think? Let me know in comments. Welcome back to Invest Desk, guys. Thank you so much for